On this occasion of Durga Puja, I take this opportunity to express and give my greetings and wishes to all the citizens of our state. May this puja be safe for each and every one, and may this puja and this festive season bring blessings for everyone in the state. At the same time, I also urge all our citizens that during this difficult time of COVID, we should ensure that we are always safe and maintain all the protocols and be disciplined while we are celebrating this puja time. So once again, wishing everyone a very, very happy puja.